guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video for my number 2 Powerpuff Girl, I chose none other than Bubbles. I really wanted to do her next just because of the fact that I've never done baby blue eyeshadow, and definitely I think it came out pretty bomb, as I do say so myself, because it's definitely giving me the baby doll vibes, very Bubbles, super Bubbles. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. But before we do get into the video, if you are not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up too to let me know that you guys enjoyed watching it. And I think that's all. So vámonos continuando con el video. Okay, girl? So let's get right into it. So I have already done this eye, which every time whenever I do my makeup tutorials, I always like to start it off first just to see where it's going, and then I'm going to do it. So we've already prepped everything else. So the first thing that I'm going to take is this Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette. And I'm going to take my blending brush with this baby blue color. And we're just going to pack it on into, well, blend it in into our crease. Actually, I'm going to take this packing brush too, just to define it more. There we go. Next, what I'm going to take is the Profusion Spectrum palette, and I'm going to take this color right here called Bermuda, and we're going to put her all over the lid. Then going back into the Colourpop palette, that baby blue, we're just going to put it on our outer crease. Or what's it called? Our outer V. I forget. It's so weird seeing like baby blue eyeshadow because I haven't seen that look since like the 90s. So it's kind of interesting. I kind of like it. Now we're going to take our blending brush, going back to Bermuda from the Spectrum palette, and we're going to use that as our blending color. I feel like with baby blues, you gotta work with it a little bit more because sometimes it'll be pigmented. I mean, I don't know. A ver. And there is a lot of fallout with this. Like, I don't know if the dust picked up, but there is fallout. that baby blue from Colourpop. So I'm only using, honestly, 2 eyeshadow colors just to give me this look. Now we're going to take our pencil brush and we're going to take our Morphe 18T palette, taking the color Unveiled, which is like that champagne light color, and use it to highlight our brow bone. Just look so. And then we are going back. I feel like I'm going like back and forth, back and forth. It's just funny. I don't know. So we're gonna take Bermuda from Spectrum palette and put it on our lower lash line. Then Colourpop that baby blue. Now, I feel like she needs a little bit of glitter. So, let's see. Let me try the Stila one. I have it in Mint Mid. And it's their glitter or liquid eyeshadows. No, that's too green. Actually, yeah. I think I'm gonna do that one. So, we're just going to take our Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow in Mint Mid, and I want to put her in my inner corners. Let's see how that looks. I feel like once I do like liner and lashes, it'll like come together. But I kind of like it. Oh, fudge. Yep. And then I'll take Unveiled and put it in my inner corner. Oh yeah, that made a difference. See, I'm telling you guys, I just wing my looks. I don't have it all planned. So except for Halloween. Girl, let me tell you, Halloween, she finna be there. Let me just add a little bit more of this right here. Okay. All right. So off camera, y'all already know what I'm gonna do. So I'll be right back real quick for the final look. So off camera, I finished the rest of the face, and the style of lashes that I am wearing is BeautyCreations 3D Silk in Legit. But everything else that I've used, I'll list everything in the description box, which I always do. So for lips, I'm going to use, again, my fave Morphe Love Bite lip liner. And you guys, I haven't gotten my nails done. I haven't done them in a while. And that's because I don't know what to get on my nails. I will get, eventually I will, but I just don't know what to do with them yet. But I don't mind the stubby fingers, because whatever. Next, I'm going to take their liquid matte lipstick, Dose of Colors in Super Natural. I'm actually going to mix it too, now that I noticed, because it's a little bit peachy for this blue. Let me take sand and just put her on in the center of my lips. Just to mute out a lot of the peachy tone. And next, I'm going to take Can You Not. There we go. I feel like a gloss is just, it pulls everything together. Now I'm going to set, and this is the completed look, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But again, thank you guys so much for watching this part 2 of the Powerpuff Girls, what is it, like series or makeup thing, whatever. So you already know who number 3 is. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Share it. And most importantly, if you are not already, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. I think for blue, it came out pretty cool. Like, I've never done a baby blue look like this before, but I think it's really interesting. I think, I don't know, maybe because I'm afraid to play with this, that I don't think it'll look good on me. But for me, I mean, I don't know, I think it's cool. And let me know if you guys have tried this look too once you guys have seen this video. So until next time, te quiero mucho mis amores, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.